Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this wireless neckband microphone kit for recording purposes, and I think that it's really nice because you can use it like a microphone kit for streaming, recording audio or anything you want, which I think that it's great. You get the user manual with all the important information about it, how to operate it, each the pieces, what it does and everything, and how to record even with a memory card. Okay, this is the receiver. As you can see, it has lighting connection and USB type C, and you can still being able to charge your device with a USB type C port at one of the sides, which I think that it's nice. You get this controller with which is a audio mixer, which I think that it's nice. This is where you can adjust each of the functions or any kind of adjustments that you wanna do, which I think that it's really great. Okay, the proper main unit. Okay, we'll take it out. Okay, it seems really small, which I think that it's great. Okay, you get some controls on this side. Okay, right here, and you get left and right. You just have to place it up like this and place in the earbuds just like this. Okay, you can still use them also like a regular pair of earbuds, which I think that it's nice. You can still being able to listen to music, any kind of video you want. Okay, you get a USB A to Type C charging cable, the memory card, and some batteries for the remote control, which I'm gonna place them right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick read on how to use it. Okay, so I can test it out. Okay, come on. Okay, and now I have already connected the receiver. I have the audio mixer right here. I'm gonna see all the different buttons of it. Okay, we get different adjustments that you can see. It's quite nice. I'm gonna turn off the pop. That's nice. We get the voice changing buttons like male.
As you can see, now it's supposed to be like a deeper voice.
There's a lot of echo. Okay, this does sound a bit like a woman, which is kind of weird. You can adjust also the in-ear monitor volume, which I think that it's nice. Okay, I'm gonna change it to kid. It also lowers it a lot.
Okay, and with all the with the middle button, you can change the to get it onto the original sound, which I think that is nice. Okay, you get also some voice enchantments like ATB, electronic tune, MC. We can adjust the level of the microphone, which I think is really nice. Lower it, get it to a top. You can, if you're using it with the Bluetooth function and listening to some music, you can also actually change it with this button. And with this button, you can also change to cycle through the noise reduction levels, ranging from 1 to 5, which I think that it's also really nice. And we get some warm-up sounds, some pre-recorded audio effects, which I think that it's nice.
Are you okay?
Okay, like that. Some cheering. That's nice. Okay.
What?
A what? As I know, kind of failure. Like a bingo. Some crowd radio, like when it's outside. The backup laugh for some like sitcoms. The typical awkward song. A booing. Bullets. They sound like runaway style. and a set of punches, which I think that it's really nice that you can also adjust reverb, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, so overall, I think that it's really nice. I think that it's really easy to control, and as I said, you can use it on videos, streaming, audio recordings, anything you need. I think that it's a really complete set with all the adjustments that you can make, all the features that it has. I also like that you can still being able to listen and how it will listen. And overall, I think they are really nice, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.